I am a breast cancer patient. I find out I have breast cancer in 2017. I went through all the process of treating the cancer from surgery, chemo, radiation, and as all people know, when person had chemo, they lost their hair. So I lost all my hair. And after chemo, all my hair comes back except my eyebrow. And it was really like hassle for me for every day to, when I wake up, to draw my eyebrow with the pencil and try to make them even, and it takes like 20 minutes, sometime more, to draw them and let them make okay, just to go out and in front of the people and see people. And I told my husband that, I told him I am really feeling bad, that's my eyebrow, it's not coming back. And my husband told me, it's okay, give it a year. So I give it a year and nothing comes back. I give it 2 years, nothing come back. 3 years, nothing come back. And then I decide to do like hair transplant to my eyebrow. So I told my doctor, and my doctor referred me to Dr. Lam, which is in different state, in Dallas, Texas. So I came here and I saw Dr. Lam and I have an appointment with him, and he was very nice. The staff were very nice. So we decided then to do this hair transfer to my eyebrow. So today is the second day of my surgery of transferring my hair to my eyebrow. And I am so satisfied, so happy with the result, and I am so happy I have hair again in my eyebrow. And all the staff were nice and they did very good job. Well,